First, connect your phone to the computer. Then you can hit continue on the computer and trust on the phone. Wait until the little icon appears on the top left that looks like a phone. Click on that. If it's the first time you ever connected to a computer, it should look like this. Just hit set up as new device and then press continue. And get started. When you're on this screen, make sure you put automatically back up to this computer. Press back up now. Just wait until the little blue bar goes all the way to the finish position. Set up your new iPad by following the prompts. When you get to this menu here, you'll see these 4 options. Just hit restore from iTunes backup. When you see this little thing pop up, just connect it to the device and this is going to pop up on iTunes. Select the backup you want. It'll tell you there when you backed it up and just press continue. After that, you just wait until everything is loaded onto your new device.